Secretive, streamlined, fast and focused. The spotted-necked otter. Her razor-sharp claws and crushing molars make her deceptively deadly. Cute, but ruthless. She's after more than fish. The thick mud and vegetation conceals her other favorite food, freshwater crabs. Their strong front pincers mean business. But she's got a plan. Her dexterous hands keep the crab's pinching parts at arm's length, while her molars put the crush in crustacea. She can make almost a catch a minute. When another otter grabs a bite, the ferocity factor doubles. Eventually, the intruder relents, and the female enjoys her spoils.